Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to log out remotely from WhatsApp web. Friends, sometimes we log into WhatsApp web on someone else's computer and forgot to log out. So later if you want to log out, then you need to open WhatsApp on your mobile. Now here press on the three dots. Now here press on linked devices. Now here you will find the details of the browser on which you have logged in your WhatsApp web. Now simply select it. Now here it will show the browser name and last login date and time. Now here press on logout. Now friends, we have logged out from the device. So friends, like this you can very easily log out remotely from WhatsApp web. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.